Hello and welcome back to Gourmet Leftovers. Today we're going to be making chicken wings in the oven covered in baking powder. So I've done a few different videos on a series on this channel based on the internet suggestion to use cornstarch on your chicken wings. And in those videos I had numerous comments from different people that suggested that I try using baking powder instead and that it would change my life. So this video was shot on Super Bowl. We've got about 3 kilograms of wings, so 6 or 7 pounds roughly. I don't actually know how much baking powder I was supposed to put on, so I was just eyeballing it until I had what looked like a pretty good coating. So then I've got 2 trays. I figured I already know that it works really well to cook chicken wings on wire racks. And if you do have wire racks, I highly recommend using them. But I know not everybody has them, so I figured I would do a comparison and cook half the wings on a wire rack and another half just on a lined baking sheet, just to see how much of a difference it made, and to see if using baking powder actually made up for the fact that they were kind of sitting in their own juices, which can kind of make them a little soggy sometimes. So we're going to bake those for 30 to 40 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or about 230 Celsius. I think I did somewhere around the 40-minute mark because I wanted them extra crispy. And I know you can't really tell because of the lighting, and I tried to take a few different shots here from a few different angles and mess around with the lighting a bit, but they're actually a lot browner and a lot crispier than they actually look on camera. Like, the lighting in my kitchen seems to make them look a little bit whiter, but they did turn out fantastic. They turned out way crispier than they did using cornstarch. And I should point out that unlike the cornstarch recipes, I didn't have to use any oil on this recipe. So here if we look at comparison of the ones cooked on a wire rack, nice and crispy all the way around because the air can get all the way around them and the moisture can get away. Pretty soggy still on the ones that are directly on the baking sheet, but it really didn't make much of a difference once they were sauced and seasoned up. You couldn't really tell the difference, but if you do have baking racks, I recommend you use them. Okay, best part, time to do them all up. Got some salt and pepper, some lemon pepper, some curry wings, and then we got some maple barbecues, and just some regular barbecue, and then of course we have to have some sweet chili wings. We served that up with a big pile of nachos for Super Bowl. There you go, oven baked chicken wings with baking powder, no oil. I would like to thank all the people that recommended I try this. It did change my life, and I will never probably try any other way to make chicken wings. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.